Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and yeah, it's time to pull some eBay orders. Don't have too many going out today, but made some pretty good money on the ones that I did sell. First things first is the Fluke digital thermometer with data logging. It is on the Molly shelf, which is right here. So yeah, this guy right here, this was part of the $500 bulk buy I made, which this stuff is still part of too. This is the best piece in that whole buy. I got $189.99 plus shipping on top for this piece. All right, then the only other eBay sale I have is a Laserdisc. Only have 2 eBay orders going out, which I don't know, it might be a little, might not be exactly right. Oh wait, those are all down here. Those are albums. That might not be exactly right because I did sell some stuff yesterday that I shipped yesterday. So, but this is all I have going out. Aliens is what I'm looking for. Here it is. All right. Aliens widescreen version on Laserdisc. This sold for $9.99, I think, plus shipping on top. Yeah, $9.99 plus shipping on top. This is going out to Jeremy, who said that they and their roommate watch every day. So thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching and appreciate the purchase. Thank you. Okay, I do have one sale on Big Cartel store, GarageFlips.store, and for a hat, which is pretty much all I have listed on there right now, are hats. It is for, let me double check. Well, I have the, let's see, HB1. Yep, this is it right here. It's a SAC hat, Strategic Air Command. Elliot bought this, so thank you very much, Elliot. I appreciate your order. But Elliot bought it, and he also said, reminds me of one of my favorite movies, War Games, with Matthew Broderick. Take care. Yes, Elliot. I remember that scene where he says, like, get sack on the line or something like, or get sack on the horn. I think he says exactly. War Games is, whew, man, it is, I don't know. I'm going to put it in my top 5 for movies. Like, there's a lot of nostalgia involved there, but it's definitely in my top 5. There's a few movies that if they're on, I stop and I watch the whole thing. That's one of them. That one is one. And then My Cousin Vinny is another one. I haven't had time to really think about this list, but War Games is so full of nostalgia for me. But anyways, thank you so much for this order. I hope it is a cool hat too. So I think you're going to like it. But thanks again, Elliot. Okay, I do have some other mail to open, but I'm going to open this one right now. This comes from RK Treasure Center, which I've talked about his channel before. YouTuber, eBay seller. Let's see. To Lonnie for the shed. Let's see what the heck this is. Definitely a sign. There's no doubt about that. Let's see what he got me. All right, so first of all, Roy and Kim. There's Roy and Kim right here. They wrote a nice little note showing them with one of the mugs. One of the let's see, this one? Was it this one? No. Yeah. It's the green mug, the plus shipping on top mug. They got one of those. So that was cool. Oh, wow. This is perfect, y'all. Check that out. Okay, that's cool. I've been talking about Dunder Mifflin. I've been talking a lot about The Office lately. And I have my, well, I have a Dundee right here. I have a Dundee from KP Trainum, Kevin Trainum. And then I have my little office sign up here on my door, and now I have, this is metal, by the way, I have a Dunder Mifflin Paper Company Incorporated sign too. So thank you very much, Roy and Kim, really appreciate it. This is cool. They also have a little envelope in here. It says a little something extra. I really like that. That's perfect. This says a little something extra. Let me see what this is. Oh man, here's the little something extra right here. That is Michael Scott, branch manager of Dunder Mifflin Paper Company. It's an ID badge. Oh man, that's funny. That is funny. No, I'm not going to wear this every day, but that's funny. That's pretty cool. Thank you very much, Roy and Kim. I appreciate it. Hey, there it is. I actually hung it already. I don't know if it's going to stay there or not. Candace keeps threatening to come in here and rearrange my signs. But there it is. Roy and Kim, put it up there. It looks good. Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie, and we are back in the shed. We're going to make this a 2-day sales vlog. You saw the sales from yesterday. Now we're going to pull some sales today. Today was like, well, actually, I guess yesterday, really good day in sales. So good day for listing too. I listed 10 items for $1,010. We're 26 days in, 15,686 total. We're getting real close to halfway point as far as dollar amount goes. Average of $603 a day, 265 items, average sales price of $59. Like I said, we got $16,314 left, which is $302 a day for 54 days. So the listing is going strong still. All right, we're going to do the second account first, and that is going to be a train. Train stuff is all the way back behind this big box. Dig my way back here. I did actually tested 3 camcorders yesterday. A Sony, what was the other one? A JVC, and then a what is that? A Samsung. All 3 worked. So 2 of them were tape and 1 of them was hard disk drive. So that was very good. Let's see, we're looking for an AHM trolley train. This is it right here, United Transit Lines. This sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. So the train stuff has been a big success in my book. Done really well in these, sold hundreds of dollars worth of train so far. And I still have a box full right here, that blue box, full of train stuff. None powered, it's all like car kits and things like that. Some of it's very common and some of it's a little more expensive. All right, next up is an item that came in that big $500. No, it didn't. Or no, yes it did actually. Yeah, these came in that $500 buy I made. Just some cassette tapes, standard. It says high fidelity, but there's normal bias cassette tapes. Got $8.99 plus shipping on top for these. All right, so these are those tapes. It turned out the cheapest way to ship them was just with the priority padded flat rate. So anyway, I took 2 pieces of spare cardboard from like Frankenboxing and wrapped in both directions, taped it, and then I'll just slide this into this envelope and close it up and it'll be good. Sold a Batman bust on Pop B, and I think this is it right here, as a matter of fact. For whatever reason, this one wasn't a huge amount of money. It's a cool one though. Anyway, this sold for $24.99 plus shipping on top. Sold a t-shirt to a viewer, and a viewer named Richard. So Richard, thank you so much. Harley Davidson t-shirt I've had probably 2 years. I went through sometimes y'all see as I go along, as I'm sure we all do, we go through different phases. I went through a t-shirt phase, I went through a jean phase, and not to say that some t-shirts aren't worth picking up, because some of them are very much worth picking up, but I just, you change the stuff you buy over the years, right? So some of the stuff that I have that's like listed 2 years ago, wouldn't necessarily buy it now, and some stuff that I have listed 6 months ago I wouldn't buy now. But anyways, cool shirt. Richard, thank you so much. I hope you like it. $10 offer plus shipping on top. Sold a remote control. You'll see it. Wait, is this it? Yeah, this is it. I put it in a, I never do that. Wrapped it in a Ziploc bag. Yamaha stereo remote, picked up this past weekend in a estate sale. Sold it for, took a best offer, $22 from Lars plus shipping on top. Thank you very much, Lars. Really appreciate it. Going to pull a Batman. There's no label on the shelf, so it's prior to, it's pre-shelf labeling, which means it's over here. I think it's going to be right here, actually. That was easy. Play Arts Kai Batman Blue Armor Edition, $79.99 plus shipping on top. So nice little sale there. The Batman keeps paying, of course. I don't, you know what's funny? I don't even like Batman. Have I ever said that? Okay, I sold some cards. Snow White Series 2 Skybox 1994. $5.99 plus shipping on top. All right, Punisher's on Pop A shelf. Somewhere up here. I'm not even sure how big he is. It's not him. Oh, here he is. Marvel Superheroes Punisher. Look, he's got 4 guns. This guy sold for $16.99. Plus, I do believe, oh, this is going to Brazil. So, gonna go simple export rate. Wish me luck. One more thing from that $500 buy from this past weekend is this toner cartridge. I sold it for $29.99 plus shipping on top. So that buy is going well. I'm actually, last night I was watching some baseball of all things, which I never do. And I cleaned up all these carts, the exterior. Still need to clean the pens and then test. And figure out how I'm going to sell those. But yeah, the toner is sold within a couple hours though. I priced it right. I just had an order come in for some Mary Kay eye color stuff. And pull it now. Oh my gosh. This stuff has been around for a while too. I'm looking for Copper Glow. Copper Glow is in my hand, so that was a good pull. Got $4.99 plus shipping on top for that. Everything I've just pulled is right here. I've got one more thing that I'm going to pull today, but probably not going to pack it right this second because I'm going to run to the post office. This big guy here and this and its trusty little sidekick dog, they sold yesterday. So took a best offer of $600 plus shipping on top. I think I was priced at $659, so I was happy with that. And I'm happy to make the money, and I'm happy to get just a ton of space on that shelf. And I see holes opening up. It might be hard for you guys to see, but I see it. See a big hole there. I've got holes opening up everywhere. Hole here. Like, I'm counting this stuff just because I've been so packed. It's actually been pretty incredible. I've been able to function at all. So it's a mess in here, but it's happening. That was a really good sale. I'm actually gonna pack these separately. I was always intending on doing that. Dog's gonna go by himself. And then I'm probably just I'm gonna make sure that the big figure, actually I already did. I was like really careful whenever I packed this guy up because I used like foam, pieces of foam like on top of the pieces. His pieces, I have this foam roll here. And I think I'm good. This will probably just be a box wrap, tape, and pack. That's it. It's probably just gonna wrap it up with a heavy duty cardboard box. Hopefully the 18-18-24 will be sufficient. If not, I'll have to go get some more, but I think it will be good enough. And yeah, I mean, it's styrofoam already. I'll just wrap that with cardboard and then tape it up and then cut whatever I need to do, and that'll be it. It'll go by FedEx. So yep, that's gonna be it for today, y'all. Planning on trying to catch up on questions tomorrow. got a little car ride for a few hours going to be on, so Candace and I might hit up some of these questions and stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks to everyone that bought stuff from me. I appreciate that too. Y'all take care. Bye-bye, guys.